A bug removes developers' data from iCloud. In the last 3 days, Apple had to worry about 2 new iCloud bugs reported by many developers. First one, there was a problem on the side of the developers who use the cloudkit. It allows to store the application data on the iCloud for companies. This new iCloud bug has deleted some sensitive data. Of course, the Apple team was trying to fix the necessary to solve the unexpected issue. Apple was working on an optimal solution for developers offering applications for on the iOS operating system. The developer system status page is reporting an issue with the CloudKit dashboard, the backend admin interface that developers use to manage their CloudKit containers. Clearly, these issues affect more than just the dashboard, but Apple's system status page does not have an entry for CloudKit itself. Apple was giving some help. Use subscriptions to be notified about changes to your data, like when a record is changed, a new record has been added, or an existing record has been deleted, in CloudKit. Another iCloud bug iOS 12 Beta 7 reported by developers. The iOS 12 Beta 7 was removed by Apple. iOS 12 Beta 7 update appears have been removed because of performance issues. But for what we investigate, it also had a huge problem on the iCloud activation screen too. Some users have said that the iCloud activation screen issue was working as normal for them using the iTunes or activation using the iPhone, while others appear have bypassed the activation screen without any password on the iCloud lock device. There have also been reports of other issues, such as screen and apps freezing, notification center freezing, lock screen freezing, and in-app functions refusing to load. Apple released the new update iOS 12 Beta 8 on the next day after iOS 12 Beta 7. No one can install iOS 12 Beta 7 again, because not signed anymore by Apple servers. The actual beta is iOS 12 Beta 10 with many bugs fixed. Please subscribe our channel. We will keep you updated from Apple and all iOS bugs.